Are you tired of searching for trustworthy watchmaker here in Singapore?
I found the hidden gem you've been looking for. Nestled in the bustling Orchard Far East Plaza Mall, Watchlab Singapore is revolutionizing luxury watch care with unparalleled expertise and dedication. Here's why Watchlab stands apart. Led by a Swiss-trained watchmaker with 16 years at prestigious luxury brands, alongside an artisan polisher boasting a decade of expert craftsmanship. A proven legacy of meticulous servicing, precise repairs, and expert authentication for the world's finest timepieces. Featuring over $200,000 in specialized equipment and tools that meet the highest industry standards for luxury watch care. Experience competitive pricing paired with uncompromising craftsmanship on every service. Only 100% genuine parts are used, preserving the integrity and value of your investment. Every service and repair is backed by a comprehensive 12-month warranty. Your cherished timepiece tells your story, entrusted only to those who truly understand its value. Visit Watchlab Singapore today and experience the difference that true expertise makes.